Ciao.
Hi, my name is Giampaolo Carletti. I'm physiotherapist for the Ducati MXGP team in the Motocross World Championship. This is my first year with Ducati, but my eighth season in the motocross circus. And since this year, I've started using ASA laser devices on the field. Because after the last few seasons in which I did not use any device at all, this year I wanted to have something to help me right away to be able to better treat riders, mechanics, and the whole team. When I started to work as a physio, I joined a clinical center in Padua area where they had one ASA laser. I have been using ASA devices ever since. For sure, the ease of use on the competition field is something else. We are always in the middle of mud, rain, and conditions that are not exactly fun. Having such a light, compact, and easy-to-use device makes my life a lot easier. Also, the speed of intervention. I can intervene even during dynamic action and exercise, not just in static mode. Mainly muscle-related issues, contusions and contractures, but also tendinopathies, bursitis, and the whole purely traumatological part. I also encounter chronic conditions right here in the motocross field. We see any type of problem, so I use it at 360 degrees. Usually, I use it more during the pre-race days when we have more time to spend with the riders after trainings. I can deliver longer and more complete treatments. Then during race weekends, on Saturday and Sunday, usually between practice sessions or between qualifying and races, if the riders sustain any injuries, I can intervene very quickly and promptly. Riders have repeatedly been surprised by the rapidity of the intervention. They come to me with an issue, and after 5 to 10 minutes of laser treatment, after retesting the same movement, they immediately feel a marked improvement and they look surprised by the effectiveness. In particular, I remember a mechanic who was suffering from a chronic tendinopathy since several months. After 2 days and 2 treatments, one per day, it had, I won't say disappeared, but decreased by 90%, so definitely not bad. On a typical day, we get up and have breakfast all together. Then the riders arrive a little later to the motorhome, and I ask them how they are, if they feel any discomfort, or if they had any troubles, crash or small injuries the day before. Sometimes it happens that everything goes smoothly. Usually we do a pre-qualifying, pre-race massage treatment to help them perform at their best.
In between sessions, if there is any problem, I can intervene very quickly. Then in the evening, from 18 after 18:30 until dinner time, I treat them again with an unloading massage to help them recover and prepare for the following day. Everyone, the athletes first of all, but also the mechanics undergo huge stress. They do a physical and tiring work every weekend, so they really benefit from it. Sometimes even the physio needs some treatment. Practical, functional, and very effective.